Good morning. I'm meteorologist Tower Hexel here for your weather outlook for Thursday, December 8th, 2016. And currently, we are taking a look at our current radar and satellite around the country. And you can see that there's not much in the way of significant storm activity ongoing. However, we do have some areas of snowfall occurring around the Great Lakes region this morning. And also, we have some winter precipitation beginning to work its way into the northwest. And these will be our areas of interest this afternoon as we're going to see snowfall and rainfall amounts increase in these areas. I'm looking at the current temperatures this morning. You can definitely see that there's a very strong Arctic air mass located over the northern plains where you have temperatures in parts of the high plains in the single digits and also well below zero this morning. Denver is actually around -2 this morning, and Casper, Wyoming, our cold spot is around -27. But stretching out further east, you can see that this cold air mass is beginning to work its way over the Great Lakes, which is also helping to produce some of these lake effect snow showers. And also, even into the southern tier, you can see some cooler temperatures this morning with temperatures in the 30s in Texas all the way to the 40s around the deep south. And then I'm heading into the northwest. We're expecting some precipitation today. We also have temperatures currently in the 30s there right now. And taking a look at our future radar as we head throughout the day, the weather system moving into the northwest will continue to spread some moisture in the cities like Seattle and Portland this afternoon, where they could actually see some substantial snowfall and ice accumulations in some areas. And also, as a colder air begins to work its way through the Great Lakes, we'll continue to see these lake effect snow showers stream off the lakes. Also, out over the Gulf of Mexico, there is a weather system that will be producing some rainfall into South Texas today, but rainfall amounts should generally be light. And going ahead and looking at the future radar projection, you can see that we'll have this band of moisture continue to spread throughout the northwest. It will begin affecting parts of coastal Oregon and also the valleys around the early afternoon hours and into the evening hours, and eventually it'll spread its way into Washington State later this evening. And the lake effect snow will continue throughout the day as well, where you can see snowfall amounts in some places up to 8 to 12 inches this afternoon. And here's a look at the projected snowfall accumulation over the next 24 hours. And Portland, Oregon could actually see up to 1 to 3 inches of snowfall by this evening. And also in the greater Seattle metropolitan area, you could see up to 2 inches. And I'm heading into western Michigan. Some places will see anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches on average. However, some of the heavier pockets of lake effect snow bands could produce in excess of 6 inches by tonight. And then same in western New York, where the favored lake effect snow belt regions could pick up about 8 to 12 inches of snowfall by tonight. And here's a look at the forecast ice accumulations for today. And with that weather system coming into the northwest, you can see that there is projected to be some ice accumulations in valley locations over there. And around the Portland area, we could actually see up to a 1/4 inch of freezing rain this evening. So be mindful of that, as that will create some very slick road conditions as this will fall on some of the accumulated snowfall from this afternoon. And looking at the future temperatures for today, you can definitely see that the cold Arctic air will have its grip over the eastern half of the country, where highs around the south today from anywhere from about, say, North Carolina, even over to Texas, will only be in the 30s and 40s. And then across the northern high plains today, highs will only be in the single digits, even some places struggling to get out of the sub-zero readings. And heading towards the west. As this weather system begins to work its way up the west coast, we'll bring some warmer temperatures along with it, however, some moisture too. So we'll have to worry about some wintry precipitation here. But overall, the main story across the continental US is that it will be very cold today. I'm Taylor Hexel here with the Morning Weather Outlook. Thank you for listening and have a great day.